Tap along with me to shift from a lack mindset to an abundance mindset. In this short session, we're going to release feelings of scarcity and connect with that unlimited energy of prosperity that is available to us all. Sometimes abundance just doesn't come in the form of money. It can manifest as always being taken care of, provided for, and supported. And if you want to dive deeper, please join Become Magnetic so you can learn how to manifest without forcing or chasing. All right, link at the top of my page. Whenever you're ready, let's start tapping. I feel stuck in lack and scarcity. I constantly worry about not having enough. I have anxiety about this. I don't believe I'm abundant. These feelings of lack can be overwhelming. But I acknowledge all this scarcity. And I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though it's hard to see the abundance around me, I accept this is how I feel. And I'm willing to release this scarcity mindset. I choose to open up to abundance now. I release this fear of not having enough. Letting go of lack and scarcity. Letting go of all this fear and anxiety around abundance. Letting go of scarcity thinking. Releasing this mindset of lack. And choosing to embrace abundance now. I'm opening myself up to prosperity. I believe abundance will flow into my life. Consistently and constantly. I trust that abundance is all around me. I'm open to receiving all forms of abundance and prosperity. I choose to focus on all the abundance around me now. I trust that there's enough for everyone. I'm welcoming prosperity and abundance into my life now. I'm worthy of abundance and prosperity. I'm grateful for the flow of abundance. I constantly attract wealth into my life. I'm now aligned with prosperity consciousness.